Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about one of the things related to my own entrepreneur journey. Talking about, am I struggling in my entrepreneur journey? Like, how's my entrepreneur journey going so far? So it's an online entrepreneur journey update. So let's get straight with today's video. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. Such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. Or soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to be sending you each and every week the email exclusive content. It's completely 100% free. The link is in the description box below. Subscribe to it. You can unsubscribe anytime if you can change your mind later on. Let's talk about this particular thing because from few days, in fact from few weeks, I've been seeing that some of the people have been commenting on my videos and they were like, oh, I see that you're struggling. Oh, I see that you're working so hard towards your goal. Oh, I see that this, that happening. Good luck, best of luck in your journey. Best of luck, you get reached to that level. So people think that I'm struggling in my entrepreneur journey, and that's why they were commenting such like that. Now, it's not bad or good. I'm not actually against anyone. So you're talking about, am I really struggling? Or it's just the entrepreneur journey. Like, people do think a lot when they're starting the entrepreneurship. They think that they're gonna become millionaire in a year. It may happen, but most of the cases it didn't actually happen, because if you don't have any sort of experience prior to starting with a business, because business, you need to have a skill. It's not about the sales. It's also about the skills. It's also about the things that you need to do in your business to actually keep it working. It's not everything about making money. It's also about how you are making money rather than how much you make. That's the real thing you want to focus on. Am I really struggling, guys? I don't think so. I'm really struggling. I'm not struggling in my entrepreneur journey, so don't think that I am broke or I'm struggling or I'm not making that much of money to survive or something like that, because I've been getting a lot of the comments, I've been getting a lot of the DMs as well, and people were commenting on my videos, in fact emailing me, in fact sending me DMs and telling me that it's okay if you're working too hard, everything gonna be fine, good luck, and saying all those kind of stuff. I'm really grateful for having such a beautiful audience, for such an amazing audience, and really think good about me. I'm really grateful for that. Thank you so much guys for your beautiful comments, for your love, for taking care of me and all those. I'm really extremely grateful for that. But guys, I'm not struggling. I really want to tell you, I'm not struggling. I'm a full-time business owner. I'm a full-time artist who is working on their work, who is doing the things that she loves doing. Of course, I have some goals, I have dreams that I need to accomplish in the 2022, so I'm working hard over it, but I'm not struggling, because I have the faith that it will going to happen. And one thing I want to tell you guys, if you're getting started with your own entrepreneur journey, whatever it is, starting with a Redbubble shop or starting with a Jazzer shop, starting with any kind of e-commerce business or any kind of business in the online space, you need to have a realistic expectation. YouTube channels who people make the videos, they talk a lot about making $10,000, making six-figure in their business in just the first year, in just 6 months, in just 1 month. They talk a lot about those things, but we don't know the reality of those people. We don't know that it is real or it's just fake. I don't know about it. And we don't know about it until we actually go into the shoes of that person, actually sees the reality and all those kind of stuff. I love doing. Whatever happens, how much money I have in my bank account, I'm gonna always remain the same of stay hungry, stay foolish, because each and every day I feel the good emotions in my heart, in my body, in my energy, and I feel so excited to make these videos and to come up with the ideas and to make all such kind of video. Like Sunday tutorial, the art tutorial which I make to show you guys how to do this and that, is my favorite tutorial. Like, it's my favorite part of the video. I love making such kind of tutorial, guys. That you guys have concerns regarding me, you take care of me, you send me such beautiful comments, beautiful messages. I really appreciate that. But don't worry, I'm not struggling, I'm not broke, okay? I'm a full-time business owner, I'm a full-time artist. Of course, I have goals. I work so hard on my goals. That's why I'm making these daily YouTube videos, because I have a goal, I have my dream, and this is a thing that I love doing. Like, even if I achieve my goals, even if I achieve my dreams, I'm gonna be making these YouTube video, guys. Of course, it won't be daily videos, because of 2022, I would be going from daily videos to 3 to 4 videos a week. Of course, I'm going to be a little bit slowing down because I want to focus on my other projects as well, because they have been suffering because of these daily YouTube videos. But guys, I would be making these YouTube videos because this is the thing I love doing, and it's not about just the making money or just having that kind of like a luxurious life. Honestly, I don't have a crave for luxurious life. To be frank, to be honest, I really don't crave that. I really crave to be feeling good in my own skin. Like, whatever I do, wherever I reach, wherever I live, with whom I share my life with, I always wanted to have a life where I can feel good in my own skin, where I can feel like I'm expanding, I'm thriving, I'm so happy, I'm so excited about my life. That's the kind of feeling I want to have in my life. And currently, I have all those feelings in my life because I am so excited to make these videos. I'm so excited about this entrepreneur journey. This was a thing I've been wanting for a very long time. Like, as a child, we have some set of fixed kind of like careers. You want to be a doctor, you want to be an engineer, you want to be a lawyer, kind of careers. I never thought that entrepreneur could be an amazing journey. That what if we can turn our hobby into a business? That could be an amazing idea. I never thought about it. But eventually, later on down the road in 2018, when I first came across the art and I started working on the art, and then I was researching and looking for making money by art, I came across all the things that making money with the hobby, with the things that you love doing, is possible in today's scenario. So that's why, guys, I'm really, really excited the way my life is going right now. I have my goals, I have my dreams for 2022, for ending of 2021 as well, and hopefully I'm going to achieve them. But still, I'm happy right now, I am thriving right now, and I'm not struggling. I want to tell you, I'm a full-time artist, I'm a full-time business owner. I do all those things for a full-time. I don't have any job. I don't have any job, or I don't practice my work or something like that. I just work on my business. That's an online business, making magazines, becoming a publisher, then print on demand, then KDP, then selling the art, then making these YouTube videos. And also, there's a lot of the things that I do in my online businesses. I have multiple businesses in working together because I love that. Because when I'm just working on only one thing, I literally get bored at times. I feel like I want to have something else, because when I'm feeling bored with something, I can just move on to something else. Like, if I could reflect back in 2018 and 2019, when I first get started with art, I felt like a big light in this field of art, in this field of thing. I feel that big light, but at that moment, I wasn't knowing what to do or how to pursue it. What are the steps that I need to take, or what did the actual thing look like? I just seen the 4th step, and that 4th step showed me so much light, so much brightness, so much expansion, that I really love that. And I want to just reflect back to my medical career. I was literally dying in that. Each and every day I was dying. I was feeling so bad, so pathetic. Of course, I was good at it, but for the sake of pursuing it without actually asking me a single time, do I need to do this? Is it really important for me? Is it really necessary for me? Is it the thing that I want in my life? I never asked that. But now, when I get started with all those things, I literally each and every day ask myself, is this the thing that I want to do? Is this the thing that I really want in my life? If that's the yes, then go for it. If it's no, then you need to just reflect back, happy, what makes you feel more enjoyable, and all those kind of things. So you could also ask this particular question to yourself. Whenever you're sitting, or whenever you're just walking or something like that, whenever you're free, you are not working on something, you can ask yourself, is this the thing that you want in your life? Is this the thing that you should be doing? Do you really want that? If it is yes, go forward with that. If it's no, then think about that you want something else, and keep looking forward into that, because this world is glorious, is magnificent, it's so magical. Like, I wasn't used to believe in the magic. I was thought that, that magic or that kind of stuff would only exist in the movies, only exist in the fantasy movies, like in the Harry Potter or Cinderella or the Barbie and all those kind of movies. It only exists in those movies, but in the reality, the magic is not there. And now I feel that the magic is there. You just need to believe in them. You just need to believe, because this world is full of good things, full of amazing things that you never ever expected that. And all the reality exists. Whatever you think, like whatever your dream look like, even if it is far away from your reality, it is there. It is there. Everything is present right now in this scene. It's just that you need to believe in that. It's just that you need to actually believe and pursue it. Because if we don't believe in that, then how are we gonna actually work towards it? So guys, I'm not struggling, I'm thriving. I'm really, really happy because I choose that career. I just dropped out from the college. That is the best thing that I ever did in my life. I could say, I could just reflect back from 1 year, from 1.5 years. I see that the COVID was a turning point in my life. COVID-19 was really a turning point. Of course, COVID-19 had so many bad things in the life. Many people died and many bad things happened in this world. But I could see in my own personal life, it has a big turning point. It actually showed me the reality of my life. It actually tells me and show me my dreams, what I need to do in my life and all those kind of stuff. So I am really, really happy, guys. I'm working toward my dreams, and I am a person who works so hard, so relentlessly hard, without actually thinking about myself in the process, because I love the process. And so that's why I work so hard. So if I'm working so hard, or if I'm making these daily YouTube videos, that doesn't mean I'm struggling. That doesn't mean I'm broke. And if I'm making these videos talking about getting me for sale on the Etsy, or getting me for sale on Society6, Jazzle, or something like that, I'm not broke, guys. I'm not broke, I'm not struggling. It's just I'm enjoying the process and I love this. Of course, I have a goal and I'm working towards it. So this is a thing that was going in my mind for a very long time, to make such kind of videos, because I really want to be honest with you guys. I really want to truth with you guys that this thing is happening and this is the way it should be. You don't need to have unrealistic expectation when starting with your entrepreneur journey, making 6-figure or 7-figure in the first year. It is possible. I'm not saying it's not possible, but setting unrealistic expectation may lend you into a shape that it's not good for your mental health. Most of the thing I want to tell you is about the mental health. So you need to be prepared for whatever comes in your entrepreneur journey. Start striving towards that, start working towards that. So I'm really happy, guys. This is an online entrepreneur journey update, and hopefully you get something out of it. Maybe do let me know in the comment section below what you think, because this was just a video of me talking about what I'm feeling currently, reflecting on my bag, of reflecting on my life. 1 years back, when there was no COVID, in the 2019, in the beginning of 2020, or January and February, when the COVID wasn't there, and I was reflecting back and I see that this was a big turning point. And I find this video useful, you get something out of it, do let me know in the comment section below what are your views about your own entrepreneur journey, and what are your struggles, what are your dreams, what are your goals. Like, I would really love to connect with you in the comment section below regarding this. Thank you so much for joining in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.